This video will show how to find the difference between mixed numbers. Let's have a look. If we have a look at this, 7 and 4/5 minus 2 and 1/5. The first thing that I want you to do is say the problem the correct way, just like we did with our decimal numbers. So the correct way of saying this is, what's the difference between 2 and 1/5 and 7 and 4/5? Again, what's the difference between 2 and 1/5 and 7 and 4/5? Next thing I want you to do is I want you to think or use a number line. So again, similar to what we did with our decimal numbers, you're going to write what's the difference between 2 and 1/5 and 7 and 4/5. Next, you're going to jump towards the nearest whole number. So to go from 2 and 1/5 to 3, we needed to add on 4/5. From 3 to 7, we jumped 4 wholes. And then from 7 to 7 and 4/5, we jumped 4/5. The next step is to add all of these jumps together. So we're adding 4, and then I know my 4/5 plus 4/5 is 8/5, which is the same thing as 1 and 3/5. So 4 plus 1 and 3/5 equals 5 and 3/5. Let's try another example. This one here, again, saying it properly, what's the difference between 1 and 4/5 and 3 and 1/5? We've said it. Let's try it one more time. What's the difference between 1 and 4/5 and 3 and 1/5? Next, let's make a number line or think of a number line in your head. So here, again, what's the difference between 1 and 4/5 and 3 and 5/5? So if I jump to the nearest whole number, so to jump from 1 and 4/5 to 2, I had to add on 1/5. And then to jump from 2 to 3 and 1/5, that's pretty easy. That's just 1 whole and 1/5. My final step is to add my jumps together. So I'm adding 1/5 plus 1 and 1/5. My answer now becomes 1 and 2/5. Now it's your turn to try some.